It seems like they're like scrapping these houses out. Wow. This is such a shame. This is such a beautiful fucking house. I'm wondering if they bought this out with eminent domain. Oh look, these are all. I have a, oh my god. I have a what is that picture?
Venice, Italy.
Look at these pictures.
Yeah. See, this is Italy.
Saw pottery. Come back to these in a minute. It's like a gym down here. Oh, I thought it was a gym. It's like an office space. The camera keeps like stopping filming.
It's gonna feature that effort.
To go back around.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Wait till you see this room.
What room?
That one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're gonna want to record it.
Oh, this is probably a kid's room.
Oh, you're the same one?
Yeah. Yeah, this was definitely a kid's room. It's got like glow in the dark shit on it.
Apple Harvest Festival.
What was it?
Apple Harvest Festival.
Oh. Yeah, they knew this house was getting torn down when they sold it then, because I was like, oh, maybe they just...
There's still so much shit.
Yeah, the fact they didn't clean it out.
Yeah.
Wow. They've like they've salvaged a lot of stuff out of the house.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it's not a historical. It's really weird. It's like an office extension.
Yeah.
Oh, what? There's an extension for the phone that says it says it's but all the transfers are like living room, kitchen, mech's room. It's so weird. They had like an intercom system, I guess.
My friend's house had an intercom system, not phone intercom, but just an intercom system.
This will probably all be gone in a few fucking days. It's a really nice house. Like
It's
this.
really nice house. It kind of gives me creepy vibes, honestly, but house are. Because my house is so old.
That's how they are on mine too.
My house was actually built by my great-great-great-grandmother.
Oh, there's another upstairs.
Hmm.
And off the kitchen.
Shelves.
Looks like it was just a loft, but
This is probably the master bed. Yep.
where does this go? What? Oh, it just goes into the kids' room.
Oh.
So this was the kids' bathroom. And then probably a playroom, maybe.
Yeah,
Everything in here looks so old, though. Like,
it does.
well, everything in this cabinet is not new. It's just like throwing me off.
There's prepackaged pills down here.
Man, the amount I would love to own this house.
Watch this second step here. It's kind of brightly.
Oh,
Right there's some prepackaged pills.
oh, yeah, there are. Wow. So check out the other house. It looks like this was a classroom.
Yeah.
There's like a whole blackboard on the wall over there, or it was somebody's like little artsy area. I don't know. There's like I think this legitimately was a classroom because there's a bunch of stuff on the walls that would point to that. The art teach students. Maybe this was just like they taught an art class out of their house. Looks like there's some canvases and stuff over here. Or maybe not. It's very some headless ducks. There's another. It's almost like this was like a older woman's house who was like into art or something, or taught art. Oh wow. I don't know why they took the siding off.
Didn't burn. It doesn't smell. There's no markings of the burn.
No, it definitely didn't burn it. What?
I was trying to figure out why they took the siding off.
I think it might have been just metal siding, but it doesn't make any sense because, see, they ripped that wall apart, but they didn't take this pipe.
There was something there. I don't trust that.
I used to know the kid who lived here.
Yeah, there was something.
They did it up here too. The roof. They left the AC in it, which is worth money.
Yeah, they tore it apart.
Cool ass old bathroom.